5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Oh no, overslept? What time is it? What? Yikes, I can't be late again. Hurry, grab everything and go. Where are my socks? That's a nice meme. Oh, hi, Chloe. What's with your face? Nothing? What's with it? Oh, darn it, I forgot my makeup. Tough luck, honey. Not this again. I don't even have a paper bag to wear over my head. Look at her, pouting her lips as if she's never made a mistake. Gotta improvise. What do we have here? Colored pencils? In all colors of the rainbow? I think my rescue has come. If you put colored pencils in a glass of hot water and leave them for a couple of minutes, the core will soften enough to use like ordinary makeup. Try it out on your hand and choose your favorite colors. You can really let your imagination run wild. Chloe's gonna show you how to paint your eyelids rainbow colored. Try doing that with your shadow palette. You can do your lips with a red pencil too. Just trace around them and fill them out. Watch out, Chloe. You've got Technicolor eyes and a head full of treasure. Wonder if there's a sneaky little leprechaun chilling in there too. How did you manage to get that? Girl, you look amazing. Want to take a selfie? Don't mind if I do. Writing an essay, ladies? Done. That was easy. Easy for you to say. Gotta pass this test with flying colors. And you know what else could use a new shade? Come here, precious lip gloss. Gotta look fabulous when I get that A+. Are you out of your mind? Miss Dudley, Mia is putting on makeup instead of writing the essay.
Oh, really now? My oh my! This shall not be tolerated!
Why
You disobedient, immature child! Instead of lip gloss, you could use your writing supplies more, lady.
Like this marker? Take out a marker or a highlighter and remove the tip and the core. Pour your liquid lip gloss into the container and don't forget to close it afterwards. Now take the lip gloss applicator and, using hot glue, stick it onto the cap of the marker. The teacher will suspect nothing about this innocent-looking marker, right? Ready to take on an essay on Greek goddesses, Tina? Whatever. The teacher says that I should use my writing supplies more. So be it. I'm so gonna tell the teacher.
Ladies, please focus.
Sorry, my bad. Hey, Haley, you know what day today is? Oh my gosh! I absolutely forgot about the dance. No time to waste. Gotta put on my special makeup ASAP.
What is this ruckus in my class? Ladies, that lipstick is not for writing assignments. I will have to take that away.
Sure, Miss Petunia. Here.
I will keep this in mind when grading you, Missy.
No Cinderella look tonight. Where's that magical fairy when I need it?
Don't ask me.
Pencils only, she says. Pencils it is. Remove the eraser and wrap the end with a piece of baking paper. We need to create a tube like this. We will also need to put that lipstick inside somehow, so melt it in a bowl. Use a syringe or a pipette in order to pour that liquid lipstick into this tube. Wait a bit until it cools down and remove that baking paper. Looks just like the old pencil eraser. The teacher says pencils only? No problem. Well, Miss Petunia, what you gotta say? Thought so. All right, we're ready to put on that fabulous look on ourselves. Sneaky DIY style. Lips. Mwah. Perfect. And you know what? You can even use lipstick as eyeshadow. Yep, you heard that right. Gorgeous! Ready to party? The artist's representation animation of a sad monkey is perhaps profound in its simplicity as it sits on a swing, thinking about life's most important question. You know what else is important? Having flawless nails. And then there's this notion, the feeling of bliss under summer light. How's it going, Sophie? Yes, very good. And what is going on over here? Oops. Cold, hard stare. I'm sorry, Mrs. Paisley. You better be, Sunshine. Why aren't you taking notes? I will. I'm sorry. Unbelievable. So, where were we? What are you doing, girl? Nothing. How can I hide my nail file? Oh, I know. How about I hide it in plain sight? Carefully pull one side of the file off. You don't want to rip it, do you? Cover the edge of the notebook with some glue and stick the file right in. Push it well. Once the glue is dry, cut the edges off. Practically invisible. Chloe, you've become an almost literal edgelord. Looking like a bookworm while keeping up appearances has never been easier. Watch out, here she comes again. How are you doing, Chloe? Have you been taking notes? Good. Molto bene. Keep up the good work, honey. Thank you, Mrs. Paisley. Now, back to the real problem. Looks like you have your hands full of work, girl. Right on point, just like my nails. Hi, girlfriends. I hope I'm not too late. Hi, hey, you made it. Time for your daily dose of selfie. Say cheese.
Girls, enough fooling around.
Oh, sorry, Mrs. Paisley. We've got our notebooks and our pens ready.
Chloe, get your backpack off the table.
Oh, right. Sorry. I just need to take out all my essentials. Let me think. Foundation? What else? Lip gloss, of course. Eyeshadow palette, the one for morning and afternoon. Makeup brushes. How many things does she pack in there? It's like she fit her whole bathroom in her backpack. Oh, I know this one. It's for contouring.
Unbelievable.
Some girls just have to have everything in their bags, just not the thing that's needed for their glasses. What about you, kaboomers? Got it. Here it is, my notebook. See? Of course I remembered it. I can't even. Chloe has so much stuff for her makeup, but her notebook is so tiny.